channel, and for today's video I'm going to do a craft video as you have seen in the thumbnail. So for this you will be needing two colored A4 sheet papers. So for the first step is to fold like this. And take your paper and carefully cut it down. After you're done with that, take your paper and fold like this. Then on the other side. Now after this, make two triangles. First like this and on the other side. Then fold it over. And then fold it like this. Then after you're done with this, nicely press it down so it stays. And then you have to take the other paper and do it the same at the other one. So after you're done with the two, slightly put it down together like this, and to the other side, join it together, and then try to make a square out of it. Put your hands and fold it over on the opposite side and try to make a sharp square like this. Press it down on the table. Then you will be getting like a square like this. Then after you're done, let's make the bottom part. So for this, take two papers and first mark the size of the boxes. Then after that, take your scissors and cut it down. You can also take multiple papers and cut it like this to make a thick paper. You can also use a foam paper if you have, but if you don't have, you can also take multiple papers and make a thick paper. So after you're done, just put it on the top to see if it matches. Now take your Fevicol glue and glue it like this. You can also take more if you would like. Now take the Fevicol glue and put it on the square. You can also use hot glue gun if you have. Now press it nicely and then cut it down to the sides. Nicely press it down, and your pencil holder is ready. You can put all the things and have a test. And do you remember these pens that I have decorated in my last video? And this is it. Let's make more of them. You can make as much as you want, so I'm making 4 of them. And now we are finally done with the 4 of them. It's really nice, it's really colorful. I really like it. And it's really nice. And for the base I have used this blue foam. As I told you, you can also use that. And I have used this multicolored ones. And now let's put the stuffs and have a look. You can also make this and give to someone, or you can also make it for yourself, and it's really nice. And it doesn't break at all. So let me show you the final look. So I really hope you liked this video. Bye, take care.